Hello all, welcome to my channel. So today we will learn how we can compare two array. Okay. So before going to the code, I would request each and everyone please subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell button so that whenever I'm uploading a new video, you will get notification. And also please share with your friends and families whoever is preparing for any automation testing interview or want to learn Java. I think my videos will helpful for them. Please like my videos and also please comment your thoughts. Okay, and if you need videos on any other topic or if you need any clarification on any of the videos, okay, it is not understandable for you or you are having any doubt, that is also you can let me know in the comment section. Okay, so let's now come to the code. So we have taken one class, that is public class compared to arrays. Okay, then we have invoking the main method, that is public static void main, and we have taken two integer array. So first is integer a1, so we have as a means declaring some of the values like 20, 56, 78, 96, 112, 120, and we have taken another array, integer array, that is a2, and there we have mentioned the same values like 20, 56, 78, 96, 112 and 120. Okay, so now we have taken an flag, okay, boolean flag, and we are first setting is at true. Then we are going inside a if loop. Okay, so if loop, if the length is same, first we are comparing whether the length is same or not. So if length is not same, then it will not go inside that, right? So first we are mentioning whether the length is same or not. Suppose it is same, then it is going inside the for loop. Okay. So if it is going inside the for loop, then what will happen? Then in that case, we are now doing a for loop, that is index value, okay, I equal to 0 and I value should be less than, because if the length is same, then a1 dot length and a2 dot length are same. So we have taken a1 dot length. Okay, so length is starting from 1 and index value is starting from 0. So 0 means length minus 1. Okay, 120 index number is length minus 1, because here we are considering 0 index. 20 number element is in 0 index, but if you consider length, then it will be 1 2 3 4 5 6, like that. Okay, now what we are doing, now we are checking the for loop. Okay, so inside the for loop we are checking whether if a of I, okay, the index value of I, whether it is equal or not equal. So first we are considering if it is not equal, then we are setting the flag as false. Okay, then we are setting the flag as false. Okay, so this is one condition. And then if it is suppose if it is matching, then obviously flag is already true, right? Already flag is true. So then what we are doing, if flag equal to the system dot out println, if the flag is true, then we are mentioning both arrays are equal. Else what, suppose any of the value is not equal, then obviously the flag will set as false, right? Then we will mention both arrays are not equal. Okay, so this is one way of doing that. Okay, another way of doing that is there is a function, okay, in the arrays, java.util.arrays. So there is one function is dot equals. So suppose dot equals in a single method, you will be able to understand whether the two arrays are equal or not. So here you need to pass two arrays, a1 comma a2. So if it is equal, then it will return true. If it is not equal, it will return false. Okay, so these two are the thing. Okay, so let's run it. So here if you could see, it is mentioned both arrays are equal and it is true. Okay, so either or, if you can check with this approach also, it is one liner. Okay, only one arrays dot equal, but if you need to write the code, you can use this. Okay, so this is showing both arrays are equal and it is showing true. So suppose we are changing any of the values, um, 25. Okay, now let's run it. So then it is showing both arrays are not equal because it is already set the flag as false. Okay, and it is showing false. So okay, but their flag is true, right? So suppose I am giving some more value like 122. So let's see, let's run it if the length is not used. Okay, so here is one error because we have taken this flag. Okay, flag equal to true. So what happened? It is not going inside that. Okay, so it is not going inside that to compare it. So what happened? This flag is already true, so it is coming here and it is showing both the arrays are equal. But here it is showing it is false. Right, it is false. So it is correct, but is this code is not working, it length not equal. So how we can do that? We have taken another flag. Okay, flag 1 equal to false. Okay, if length is equal, then we are setting that flag is true. Equal to true. Okay, so then what we are doing, if both the lengths are equal, then we are setting this flag, okay, as true. Fine, this flag as true. So if this flag true as well as this flag, if both the flags are true, then it will be equal, else it will be false. Okay, let's run it. Okay, now it is showing correctly. Okay, so we need two flag, one for the length. Okay, because one for the length we need. Okay, so if both this and flag one both are equal, okay, for length also we are setting one flag, and if one index value is not matching, then also we are setting one flag. So then what happened if it is false? So previously this is true, and if it is not matching, then it is true. Okay, so this is for, this flag is for index, so we can mention as index flag. Okay, this is for index, so it will be understandable, and this is for length, this is for length. Okay, so what happened, if we mention this is true, this is for index, first we are mentioning true and we are doing whether it is not equal, then it will be set as false, else it will be true. So if length not matching, then also it is true, right? It is not going inside this loop. So using only one value we cannot compare, but for flag length also we are taking one value as false. Okay, so if the length is true, it will be true, but we have to check the index value also. So in that manner we can check it. Okay, so now if you could run it, both arrays are not equal. Okay, now take the same, take correct means equal array. Let's run it. Both arrays are equal. Okay, then again give some other value like 125. Let's run it. Both arrays are not equal. Okay, so that's why we need to set two flag and one for false, because indexing we are taking which is not equal, so then it will set as false, and this one is false, and then if it is equal, then we are setting as true. Okay, like that. So in that manner we can validate. Okay, or we can do another part also. We can go inside this if loop. Okay, inside this if loop, that is also I think we can do. Okay, so suppose length is 2, but we have to take this value also. Okay, if part. Okay, let's see. I think this is fine. Okay, this is fine, this is working fine. Okay, so please practice it, guys. Okay, it is very common question asked in automation testing interview or Java interview. So please practice it. It is very simple program, but sometimes if we haven't practiced it before attending any interview, we might get wrong it. Okay, so that's right. So that's all for today. Thank you all. Have a nice day. Tomorrow again I will come with another video. Till then, have a nice day and please subscribe my channel. Okay, bye.